So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you actually create your own personalized AI. Now how will we do is we will just create a Gemini gem. What Gemini gem actually is? Gemini gem is a feature made by Google, so you can create your own personalized AI for your own personalized task, or you can say a specific task. So firstly we will move in our browser and check what this actually is. So let's open our browser. Okay, when you will open Gemini, just a second, guys. So when you will open your Gemini, you can just click on this particular option, that is settings, and then just click on gems. You will be redirected to this page. Now here you can see several gems which are already made by labs. Earlier there was an experimental tool called Opal. You can see that Opal was an experimental tool made by Google where you can actually create your own personalized apps, AI apps basically. You can just read this out: build, edit, and share AI mini apps using natural language. Whatever the apps were in this Opal initially, now are in Gemini Gems. So we can just try one of these apps actually. We will be going with the recipe genie. Okay, let's go inside this. Since I know what this actually will be doing is, we have to provide him the ingredients, and then uh, it will start making some recipes out of those ingredients. So just click on start here, just accept. Now we have to just add a picture, or we can add a picture of what we have in our fridge actually, or just like type something: rice, tomato, chicken. That's it. Okay, now this is thinking actually what we can actually made out of this. What can actually be made out of this? So now you can see that these are the recipes which this has actually made. You can just tap any of these and get the full recipe. Now we will focus on how can we actually make our own AI. Just go in gems again, and now you can see an option here that is a new gem. We will be creating a task manager here. Task manager. Okay. So what this will actually do is, let me prompt it. So I have prompted this. Now what we can do is, we can, if we are actually using a service like Gmail, then we can also do one thing. Just delete this, and now add at, and then you can choose app, which service you want to actually use. Okay, there must be an ad also. Let me do it once again. Okay, I think this is allowing only one app here. Okay, so I guess that's enough for this. Let's create this. Just click on save here. Start chat. Okay, so now our task manager is created. We will just prompt him to add some task. Hydrate yourself. We will just hit enter here. Okay, so now you can see that this has added the task hydrate yourself to your list. Also, uh, as your task manager, I will ensure that you will receive daily email notifications moving forward. Okay, I guess that's enough. Give me list of today's tasks. Okay, so now as you can see that this is actually noting which task you have just added or deleted or edited, you can see. So I guess you have completely understood how you can actually create your own personalized AI with the help of Google Gems. So guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.